Welcome to Fafaful Home. Fafaful Home presents
Bohemian Kitchen Design Ideas, Nature-Inspired Home Decor and Interior Design Tips. Welcome to the Bohemian Kitchen. Step into the enchanting world of Bohemian kitchen design, where creativity, nature, and individuality come together to create a space as unique as you are. In this video, we're diving into stunning boho-inspired kitchens, from earthy tones and natural textures to vibrant accents and eclectic elements. Whether you're renovating or dreaming about your ideal kitchen, we've got plenty of ideas to help you design a space that feels warm, inviting, and truly your own. Don't forget to subscribe to Best House Design Ideas, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's bring some magic into your kitchen. Embracing earthy tones. A Bohemian kitchen thrives on earthy tones that reflect nature's raw beauty. Think muted greens, soft terracottas, sandy beiges, and deep browns. These colors create a grounding base for the eclectic elements typical of Bohemian style. Pair these shades with natural wood cabinets or shelves for a warm, organic feel. Incorporate touches of metallics like brass or copper in your hardware or lighting fixtures for a hint of rustic charm. This earthy palette not only feels harmonious but also serves as the perfect backdrop for bold patterns and textures. Layering textures for depth. Texture is at the heart of Bohemian design. In your kitchen, consider using a mix of natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone countertops, woven baskets, and macramé details. Layer rugs, hang textured curtains, or add a rattan pendant lamp to achieve that multidimensional boho vibe. Don't shy away from blending rough and smooth finishes, like polished marble next to raw, unpolished wood. This contrast brings a sense of authenticity to the space, making it feel lived in and soulful. Incorporating vintage finds. One of the hallmarks of Bohemian design is its love for vintage and upcycled elements. Hunt for unique secondhand furniture pieces like an antique kitchen island, weathered chairs, or distressed shelves. Vintage ceramics, glass jars, and colorful cookware can double as decor. By mixing old-world charm with modern functionality, you add a personal touch that reflects your story and travels, making your kitchen not just a workspace but a journey. playing with vibrant patterns. Bold, colorful patterns are essential in a boho kitchen. Introduce patterned tiles for your backsplash or flooring to instantly add character. Moroccan-inspired tiles, floral prints, or geometric designs work particularly well. Complement these patterns with textiles such as hand-woven placemats, tablecloths, or cushion covers. While the patterns can be eclectic, aim for balance by tying them together with a cohesive color scheme. Greenery to bring life. Plants breathe life into any bohemian space, and your kitchen is no exception. Decorate with potted herbs, hanging plants, or trailing vines to create a lush, vibrant atmosphere. Choose easy-to-maintain plants like pothos, ferns, or succulents. Incorporate vertical gardens or herb racks for a functional and decorative touch. The natural greenery will not only purify your kitchen's air but also enhance its connection to nature, a fundamental element of Bohemian design. Open shelving and displaying art. Open shelving is a staple in Bohemian kitchens, offering both functionality and an opportunity to showcase your personality. Use them to display colorful ceramics, handmade bowls, or vintage glassware. Combine this with framed art pieces, inspirational quotes, or even hanging tapestries. The goal is to create a space that feels curated yet effortless, celebrating the beauty of imperfection. Lighting that sets the mood. Bohemian kitchens are all about creating a warm and welcoming ambience, and lighting plays a crucial role. Opt for soft, diffused lighting using pendant lamps, woven fixtures, or lantern-style lights. Mix and match lighting designs for an eclectic look. Consider adding fairy lights or candles to further elevate the cozy, magical atmosphere. Layering various light sources allows you to create the perfect mood for cooking, dining, or simply enjoying the space. Personalized touches and DIY decor. What makes Bohemian design so appealing is its embrace of individuality. Add personal touches to your kitchen through DIY decor projects. Create your own macramé wall hangings, hand paint wooden signs, or repurpose old items into decorative pieces. A hand-woven basket can become a fruit holder, or an old ladder can serve as a pot rack. These unique additions not only personalize your kitchen but also make it a true reflection of your creativity. Natural materials and sustainable choices. Sustainability aligns beautifully with Bohemian design principles. Choose eco-friendly materials such as bamboo, recycled wood, or organic cotton for your kitchen elements. Invest in reusable kitchenware and avoid plastic decor. Sustainable choices not only benefit the environment but also enhance the natural and organic feel of your space. This approach ensures that your Bohemian kitchen is both beautiful and responsible. Mixing cultures and influences. A boho kitchen celebrates cultural diversity through design. Incorporate globally inspired decor pieces like Indian textiles, Moroccan lanterns, or African baskets. This mix of cultural influences enriches your kitchen, creating a story that transcends borders. Look for fair trade items to support artisans around the world while giving your space an authentic Bohemian vibe. Functional yet aesthetic storage. Storage in a Bohemian kitchen doesn't have to be boring. Use wicker baskets, vintage crates, or open racks for storing everyday items like utensils and spices. Consider installing floating shelves or pegboards for an artistic yet functional storage solution. These creative storage ideas ensure your kitchen stays organized while maintaining its eclectic charm. creating a social space. Bohemian kitchens often double as spaces for gathering and socializing. Include a cozy seating nook with mismatched chairs, throw pillows, and a small rug. A kitchen island can serve as a focal point for casual conversations while preparing meals. This inviting setup ensures your kitchen becomes the heart of your home, a place where memories are made. Maintaining the balance. While Bohemian design celebrates creativity and layering, it's essential to maintain balance to avoid visual clutter. Stick to a harmonious color palette, ensure enough negative space, and curate your decor thoughtfully. This approach ensures your kitchen feels lively yet calm, vibrant yet cohesive. The heart of Bohemian design. The essence of Bohemian design lies in its freedom to break traditional rules and embrace individuality. A Bohemian kitchen isn't about perfection, it's about creating a space that feels authentic and personal. Incorporate elements that resonate with you, whether it's a treasured piece from your travels or a family heirloom. Bohemian kitchens celebrate the imperfect and eclectic, blending diverse styles, colors, and textures. These spaces invite creativity and spontaneity, offering a sense of warmth and comfort. This approach makes your kitchen more than just a functional space, it becomes a reflection of your story and lifestyle. Infusing natural light. Natural light is a key element in a Bohemian kitchen, as it enhances the organic and airy feel of the space. Maximize the use of sunlight by keeping window treatments minimal or opting for sheer curtains. Skylights or large windows can further illuminate your kitchen, creating a vibrant and inviting environment. Reflective surfaces like mirrors or glass tiles can help bounce light around the room, making it feel even brighter. A sunlit Bohemian kitchen feels alive and dynamic, perfectly complementing the natural materials and greenery often found in this style. Pillow rugs and runners. Adding a rug or runner to your kitchen floor is a simple yet impactful way to introduce Bohemian charm. Look for handwoven or patterned rugs in earthy tones or vibrant hues, depending on your preferred aesthetic. These rugs not only provide visual interest but also add warmth and comfort underfoot. Place a rug in high-traffic areas, such as near the sink or the cooking station, to create a cozy and layered look. Choose washable or stain-resistant materials to ensure practicality without compromising on style. Eclectic dining areas. If your kitchen includes a dining area, this is the perfect opportunity to showcase Bohemian design. Combine mismatched chairs, a rustic table, and colorful textiles to create an eclectic and welcoming space. Add a centerpiece like a hand-painted vase or a bowl of fresh fruits for a natural touch. Hanging a statement light fixture, such as a woven pendant or a beaded chandelier, can further enhance the area's charm. This setup makes your kitchen a social hub where meals are shared and memories are created. Bohemian-inspired cabinetry. Bohemian kitchen cabinetry often features a mix of open and closed storage solutions. Opt for open shelves to display your favorite kitchenware, while using closed cabinets for less decorative items. Painted cabinets in muted colors like sage green or warm beige can add a touch of whimsy, while natural wood finishes keep the look grounded. For an extra touch of creativity, consider adding patterned contact paper to the inside of cabinets or drawers. This hidden detail brings a smile every time you open them. Charming backsplashes. The backsplash is a fantastic canvas for adding bohemian flair to your kitchen. Consider colorful mosaic tiles, hand-painted designs, or patterned wallpapers for a bold statement. If you prefer a more subdued look, textured tiles in neutral tones can still add interest. Mixing and matching tile patterns is another creative way to achieve an eclectic aesthetic. A charming backsplash not only protects your walls but also serves as a piece of art that elevates the overall design of your kitchen. Handcrafted elements. Bohemian design celebrates craftsmanship and artistry. Look for handcrafted items to incorporate into your kitchen, such as pottery, woven baskets, or artisanal utensils. Handmade details, like a macramé wall hanging or a crocheted table runner, add warmth and personality to the space. These unique elements are not only beautiful but also tell a story, connecting you to the artisans who created them. Incorporating handcrafted decor supports local artists and reinforces the sense of authenticity that defines Bohemian style. Artisan pottery and ceramics. Artisan pottery and ceramics are quintessential in a Bohemian kitchen. Display hand-painted plates, bowls, and mugs on open shelves or use them as everyday tableware. Their vibrant colors and intricate patterns bring life and character to your space. Look for pieces with a mix of textures and finishes, from glossy to matte. These items can double as functional decor, adding depth and interest to your kitchen design. Supporting small artisans also aligns with the ethical and soulful aspects of Bohemian living. Seasonal decor changes. Bohemian kitchens are versatile and adapt beautifully to seasonal changes. Swap out decor elements like cushions, rugs, or plants to reflect the changing seasons. In the spring, opt for bright floral patterns and fresh herbs. During autumn, incorporate warm tones and dried foliage. This approach keeps your kitchen dynamic and exciting while maintaining the core Bohemian aesthetic. Seasonal updates allow you to experiment with new ideas and keep your space feeling fresh and inspiring throughout the year. The allure of woven accents. Woven accents, such as rattan, wicker, or jute, are staples in Bohemian design. These materials bring natural texture and warmth to your kitchen. Use woven baskets for storage or as decorative pieces on shelves and counters. A rattan bar stool or a jute rug can further enhance the organic feel of the space. These accents are not only visually appealing but also durable and eco-friendly, making them a practical choice for a busy kitchen environment. creating focal points. Every Bohemian kitchen needs a focal point that draws the eye and anchors the design. This could be a colorful backsplash, a statement lighting fixture, or a unique piece of artwork. Choose a focal point that reflects your personality and complements the rest of the decor. For example, a large, hand-carved wooden piece or a vibrant tapestry can add drama and interest to your kitchen. Focal points help balance the space, ensuring that the eclectic elements come together harmoniously. Blending modern and vintage. Bohemian kitchens effortlessly blend modern and vintage elements for a timeless appeal. Pair sleek, contemporary appliances with antique furniture or decor for a balanced look. A vintage range or retro fridge can become a statement piece, adding charm and character to your kitchen. This juxtaposition of old and new creates a dynamic, layered design that feels both fresh and nostalgic. The blend ensures your kitchen stays functional and stylish, catering to both aesthetic and practical needs. Cooking with color. In a Bohemian kitchen, color is a tool for self-expression. Add pops of vibrant hues through decor, cookware, or even fresh produce displayed in bowls. Think bright yellows, deep blues, or rich reds that contrast beautifully with earthy tones. Use colorful tiles, painted furniture, or textiles to infuse your kitchen with energy and joy. This playful approach to color ensures your kitchen feels lively and inspiring, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Bohemian kitchen for small spaces. Bohemian design isn't limited to large kitchens. It works wonderfully in small spaces too. Focus on multifunctional furniture and vertical storage to maximize space. Use mirrors or reflective surfaces to create an illusion of openness. Choose compact decor elements, like hanging planters or small rugs, to maintain the boho charm without overwhelming the space. A small Bohemian kitchen can feel cozy, stylish, and practical, proving that size doesn't limit creativity. Elevating the everyday. Ultimately, a Bohemian kitchen is about transforming the mundane into something extraordinary. Every corner, from your spice rack to your dining table, can be infused with charm and personality. By combining functionality with beauty, you create a space that inspires and uplifts you daily. Whether you're brewing your morning coffee or hosting a dinner party, your Bohemian kitchen becomes a canvas for self-expression and creativity, making every moment spent there truly special. Bringing it all together. Creating a Bohemian kitchen is about crafting a space that reflects your personality and connection to nature. With earthy tones, eclectic patterns, vintage finds, and lush greenery, your kitchen can become a sanctuary of creativity and warmth. We hope these tips inspire you to bring your dream boho kitchen to life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to Best House Design Ideas for more design inspiration and tips. Let's make your home a haven of style and comfort.